today is kawaiisquishyfans video, and today I just find out two squishies from my home, and I'm so happy I got them. Yeah, and yeah, so I want to share them with you guys, but yeah, so let's get started. We have this yellow hand. It's pretty big, like my hand. Yeah, it's a kind of hard. I don't know why, but yeah, it's really squishy. A kind of hard. Yeah, it's not squishy. Sorry. Yeah. And here's defected. Yeah. So I got them. Sorry. Okay. And then I have this another one of those. Yeah. Oh, it kind of focus. I don't know. Yeah. And we just have this one, this yellow hand, and also a kind of heart, and it's defected and a little bit dirty, and there's a pencil top too, and this defected. Yeah. Sorry, my camera cannot focus on this. Yeah, sorry. And yeah, so we got these two squishies only. Sorry. Yeah, and so I got this two new, and maybe not new, I don't know, but yeah, just really squishy. Sorry about that. Yeah. So, and hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Bye.